Oh no, it's Hurricane Isaias. Woo, that was close. Thank God we survived that. Let's celebrate with a victory shot. Today's shot, Don Julio. Don Julio. This month, we'll be focusing on tequila-based cocktails. Today's cocktail is the Tequila Oasis. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Two ounces of a Blanco or silver tequila, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. I think I'm falling in love with tequila. And that is the Tequila Oasis. This week's word of wisdom is fun. No, really, it's fun. It's a word that makes you feel really good sometimes. It's a word that can make you excited for things to come and things that happened a long time ago. It's a word that describes children at play. It's a word that can lift the spirits of those who really hurt. It's a word that some strive for many years to achieve, yet others base YouTube channels around it. What is this week's word, you may ask? I already told you. Pay attention. No, I'm just having some fun. It's a word that can make you feel really good for things to come. Never mind.